Digital Factory now has an activation self-reset feature that allows users to reactivate their software without contacting technical support. Activation self-reset is useful when a user can no longer access the computer on which Digital Factory has been activated. It could have been lost or damaged or replaced, making it impossible to deactivate Digital Factory through the Help menu. A computer may also appear to be a new computer if enough components have been changed or upgraded. To use the self-reset feature, start by first installing Digital Factory, and after launching the newly installed Digital Factory, the activation and registration page will open. Select Enter Activation Code. Input your activation code and complete the required registration fields, including name, email address, phone number, country and province or state. Once completed, click Register My Product. If the software detects that your activation is currently assigned to another machine and the self-reset eligibility requirements are met, a window will pop up giving you the option to perform a self-reset. Click Yes, and a PIN will be emailed to the email you used to register your activation code for Digital Factory. Next, a window will open containing a field where you will input the PIN found in the email you will receive. You have a 10-minute period to go to your email and retrieve the PIN and type it into the field. Once the PIN has been entered, click OK. A prompt will appear informing you of the activation success. For the activation to take effect, you must fully relaunch Digital Factory. Click OK. Your copy of Digital Factory will now launch activated. You may see this dialog if you have made significant upgrades to your computer, prompting the need to reset your activation. There are a number of reasons the self-reset process may be interrupted, and as a result, you see this dialog, such as missing the 10-minute window to input the PIN was entered incorrectly, a poor network connection, or there may be invalid information. In these cases, the self-reset process will end. You can perform the self-reset process again by launching Digital Factory and restarting the activation process. The self-reset is limited to once every 2 weeks. If a reset was performed within the last 2 weeks, the self-reset option will not appear. You will be directed to the Fiery Communities main page at communities.fiery.com, where you can request a reset from Fiery Support from the support chatbot found in the bottom right corner of your screen.